Right then, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the fab workshop, as you can probably tell with all the ambient noise going off at the minute. But we're going to brighten up your day with a new light bar for the Amarok. So this is something we've had going on for quite a while. We've already drawn up and pre-made this bracket, which will be fitting behind the bumper, so that's going to hold the light bar. And then for this specific kit, we're going to be using the Hella Black Magic. So this particular range from Hella is the same as what we use for the ditch lights. The lights themselves are really bright and they look pretty good. So let's get this out of the box. This is obviously like a slimline single row light bar. Comes with a bracket kit and everything. If you wanted to just universally mount it. But whereas normal light bars, you get like a silver background, kind of chrome background. These have got like a tinted, it's not a lens, it's not a tinted lens, but I don't know, they just look quite stealth, which is why they're called the Black Magic series. So this is going to mount inside that bracket. We've got the bolts, which we're going to be changing out for stainless ones. The final bracket for this will be powder coated, so it'll be finished really nice. And then if we're going to have a look on the car, we'll show where that's going to be installed. So we're a bit pushed for space in the fab shop, but basically this bar and the bracket is going to mount upside down and then fasten to what is behind the bumper. So it's like a plastic cover that kind of goes over the crash bar. But what we'll do, we'll whip the front bumper off first, and then we'll have another look at what's going on behind this bumper. So Mark's already steamed ahead, we've got the bumper off, he's already installed the light bar before we even got a chance to look at this without the light bar. But it's on now, and that's because it's that straightforward to fit. So if you come over here, Adam, and look from the top, this plastic crash bar thing that I mentioned earlier, it's already got pre-drilled holes in there, and that bracket that we made for the light bar utilises those holes and literally just bolts it in place. Pretty much job done then. Obviously you've got to route your wiring. We've just got that going to the engine bay. Mark's going to demonstrate when I move how bright it is. So pretty bright. I think it's just short of 14,000 lumens according to the box, which you won't want to stare into it too long. Thanks Mark, please stop blinding me now. So we're happy with that. Obviously once it's all mounted on there, you've got to trim the bumper, so that's already been done. Look at that, Debbie McGee. This part of the bumper is removed, cut out. We just need to neaten up this edge, and then this can go back on. So we'll just lift it into place and have a look what it looks like. So that's it, pretty much done. Nice, easy install. The V6 will be pretty much exactly the same as this, other than how you cut the grille will be a little bit different. But it will fit both. We're gonna whip this back off now. We'll get the bracket powder coated, just so you can't see these silver edges. And then that's it, we just need to wire this up. I think we're gonna use an aux beam controller, so then we can put the ditch light brackets on this as well, and just wire it all and have it on one control switch. So pretty good. Once it's all done, we'll take it out and we'll have a look, see how bright it is at night. Put some clips up of that. So I'll let Mark get this put back together properly. We'll check back in later. So a few weeks have passed since we last had this Amarok in to do a video on the light bar. That's because we were waiting on these. So this is an adapter loom that we've specifically had made up, so the light bar is completely plug and play. So once you've got the light bar fitted, this plugs into the back of the standard headlight, But that basically plugs into the back of the headlight as, well, like I said, an adapter, and then this little wire that comes off it and plug, that goes to your light bar, and you plug your light bar into that and away you go. So your light bar now will work, in theory, on the high beam. So let's give that a try. Easy as that. So the full kit will be listed on the website. We'll put a link for that in the description below. Hopefully you've liked this video. If you like the kit, get on the website and buy it. See you in the next one.